Good afternoon, children. Welcome to today's online class. Hope you all are doing good. Have you all had your lunch? How is your day today? Are you all enjoying at home? So, from your enjoyment time, today you are taken time to learn our English subject. So, you all are in grade 3. Hope you might have received the formative assessment timetable and syllabus too. Have you all received? Are you all following that? All right. So there are a few recorded videos available in our app. Watch the app carefully and try to understand the lesson. If there is any doubt, contact your principal or concerned teacher. And if they are unable to clarify your doubts through them, ask them to send the questions to head office. We will look into it. Okay. Okay, children. So, do you all remember in previous class what we learned? What we learned in previous class? We learned a lesson called Puppy in the Well, isn't it? Do you remember the lesson? The story? Do you remember Satish, Rajni, and Dilip, the three kids who were playing cricket and they saved a kitten and all? Do you all remember that? I'm sorry, the puppy in the well. So you remember the story. Very good. So now, in last class, after completing the lesson, we have learned enrich. Let's enrich our word store. As I say, always knowing more words help us to develop our communication, isn't it? Because you all have to speak in English fluently, right? How I am speaking, the same way you all should speak in English. Though you are at home, try to speak in English with your friends or with your siblings or with your parents. Speaking English is must though you are at home because you all are English medium children, isn't it? Will you all do that? Okay. And in every day, we were learning about a new tongue twister. So I have a new tongue twister for you today. And before moving to the new tongue twisters, let us try the old tongue twisters. Do you remember that tongue twister? She sells seashells. She sells seashells. She sells seashells. I'll just write a comment over here so that you will understand what is that. Okay, just look into the comment box. She sells seashells. That's the previous tongue twister. She sells seashells. She sells seashells. She sells she sells. So try this one. Okay, and the next new tongue twister is here for you. Ice cream, you scream for ice cream. What is the next tongue twister? I scream, you scream for what? I scream, you scream for ice cream. Is your parents are getting ice cream for you nowadays? No, right? So we will scream for it because the weather condition or the outside food it's not good for health at this time. So don't force your parents to get ice cream for you. Okay? We will scream, but they won't get it. Don't force them. But you have to try this sentence now. Ice cream, you scream for ice cream. Ice cream, you scream for ice cream. So this is the tongue twister for today. Just learn it and practice. Practice in the sense not slowly. You have to speak fast, fast, fast. Your tongue has to roll and roll and roll. Okay, it has to come fluently. Ice cream, you scream for ice cream. 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 I am not screaming now. You all scream at home. Say it loudly. Say it loudly and practice it loudly. The more you speak, the more you practice, you will become fluent in it. Alright? So, ice cream, you scream for ice cream. That's the tongue twister for today. So, now let's move on to our textbook. Children, if you have a textbook in your hand, you all know, right? New Learning to Communicate is our textbook, English textbook, and you all are in grade 3. So the first lesson is Puppy in the Well. We are looking into the grammar part of the lesson. In the previous class, we have looked about, write 2 words that belongs with these. I gave this as an assignment at school. What are the things you can see in the school? You have to write it. Have you all done it? If you didn't do it today. And page number 18, we have an exercise that is let's enrich our word store. The first question is a school. So, what are the objects or things you can see at the school? That you have to write it. For example, they are given one word desk. There are so many other things which you can see in the school that you have to write. The next one, a park. In park, what other things can be seen? Swing, slides, trees, plants, kids. So these all are the things you can see in the park. So even that you have to write it down. And the next one is street. What are the things you can see in the street? In street, cars will be there, autos will be there. What else? Cars, autos, scooters, bicycle, people, shop, whatnot. All those things we can see it at the street. So these are the things which you have to look into it. Will you do it? Just look into all those things, okay, and write it down. After writing it down, next we will move on to the next bit, that is join and make new words. Are you all interested to do make a new words? Like two words will be there. We have to combine the 2 words to form a new word. Shall we do it? How to combine it? Just by matching. I'll just show you here. It is there in page number 18. Okay. The B bit. Join and make new words. Join and make new words. First, I'm going to read the words for you. Listen to me very carefully. The first word is fire. What is the first word? Fire. See, I'm reading the words from the list, left side list, okay? Fire, sea, water, straw. These are the words they are given in the A column. And there are few words given in the B column. Let me read out those words. Listen to me very carefully. Side, melon, berries, fighter. So now we have to match column A and B and we have to form a new word. What we should do? We have to form a new word. Fire, fighter. Fire and fighter makes a sensible word. It should have a meaning also. If it's not like any 2 words can be joined. No, not like that. If we match the 2 words, it should have a complete meaning. Then only we have to match it. Okay. So fire fighter, a fireman who helps us to protect during any fire accident. So they are called fire fighter. Seaside, SEA, Ocean Sea, Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea, full of salt water will be available, will be there in the sea. Okay, so sea side. What's the next word, children? Water. Water. Do you drink water? Are you all drinking water every day? You have to drink plenty of water after food, before food, half an hour before food, half an hour after food. Drinking water keeps us healthy. Okay, but here, what is the matching word for water? See the right side column. Melon. Water melon. Watermelon during summer we will get, right? A red color fruit will be there inside. Green color skin will be there outside. Watermelon. It's tasty and watery fruit it is. Water matches with watermelon. So it makes a word. Next one, straw. Strawberries. Here they gave the matching word berries. Strawberries in cake, ice cream. We will see, strawberry flavor and strawberries on top of cakes and all. It's a fruit. Strawberries is a fruit. Strawberry is a fruit. So this is how you have to match this. Let me read the words together. Listen to me very carefully. Firefighter, seaside, watermelon, strawberries. Let me repeat it, children. Listen to me very carefully once again, okay? Firefighter, seaside, watermelon, strawberries. So these are the words we have matched now. So if you have your textbook with you, take your textbook and match it. Got it? Good. And we'll move to the next bit. Match the words that go together. So there we matched a word to make a new word. Two different words we matched and it gave a new meaning, new meaningful word. Here in the second bit, there are both are two different words, but it will go together like cup and saucer. Cup is different, saucer is different. But when we say, cup and saucer will go together. Shoe, so shoe and socks. Shoe is different, socks is a different object. But it go together always, they're always. And it gives a meaning, meaningful word. So let's see about it. Okay. See, match the words that go together. As I said, example, cup and saucer, shoe and socks, or matching word. Here they given words. First, let me read out the words, okay? Listen to me very carefully. If you have a textbook with you, just, follow the words so that you can learn the words. You won't forget it again. Got it? So the first word is urgent. On the left side column, I'm reading the words. Listen very carefully. Urgent, green, juicy, clean, fried. Urgent, it's green, juicy. It's very clean, fried. So, and I'll read the words from the right side column. Listen to me carefully now. Vegetables. What is the word? Vegetables. Vets. Potatoes. Messages. Mangoes. Let me read the words once again. Listen to me. Vegetables. Beds. Potatoes. Messages. Mangoes. Got it? Now we have to match both the column and let's see which words go together. Urgent goes together with urgent vegetables? No. Urgent potatoes? No. Urgent messages? Yes. Urgent messages. It goes together. There is a message which is very urgent. Emergency. Urgent messages. So it goes together. Excuse me. The next word, green. What is the next word? Green. Green potatoes. Green messages. No. Green vegetables. Green vegetables. Green vegetables goes together. The next one is juicy. Will the potato be juicy? No, potato won't be juicy. Mango is juicy. It's a favorite food for all. Mango is our national fruit also, isn't it? It's a national fruit and everybody likes to eat mango and it will be so sweet and juicy. So juicy mangoes, it goes together always. Next, clean. Clean potatoes also goes together. Clean mangoes, clean vegetables, but here clean beds. The beds are clean always. The beds are clean always. So clean beds goes together. What is that? Clean beds goes together. What's the next one? Fried potatoes left last. If we fry potatoes, it will be yummy, yummy. I like fried potatoes. Do you all enjoy eating fried potatoes? If I go out for a shop, I'll bring fresh potatoes and I'll fry nicely at home and I'll eat. Even my daughter, she likes eating fried potatoes. Do you all enjoy? Will your mom cook fried potatoes? Hope you all will enjoy eating fried potatoes like me. Good. So these are the words which goes together. Let me read the matched words once again. Now listen to me very carefully and if you have your textbook with you, match it and read it. Urgent messages, green vegetables, juicy mangoes, clean bed, fried potatoes. Fried potatoes. Let me repeat the words once again. Listen to me very carefully, okay? Urgent messages, green vegetables, juicy mangoes, clean bed, fried potatoes.